so easy, fast. All the hot words we like.
Easy, fast, simple,
Cheap.
rustic.
Do it yourself. We need to do a lot of thrifting for this room. I can't do words today. Oh my god, another one! Another one! My name is Becky and welcome back to TheSorryGirls. Today we are doing a very exciting room makeover. We are here in my sister-in-law's house and we are going to be making over my nephew's new bedroom. So Azel, my sister-in-law, who you might know from some wedding videos, is having a new baby. So Elwood is being moved out from the nursery into what is currently the playroom, and we've got to turn this into a brand new bedroom for him. So the only thing tighter than the budget today, because we are on a little bit of a budget, is the timeline, because Azel's new baby is coming any day now and Elwood needs a new room. So let's get started. Okay, so the plan for this room is to make the whole thing over for under $300. I'm confident we can do it. So what we're gonna wanna do is go out and thrift a lot of things for this room. Now the biggest problem is that, well, A, there's a lot of children's toys around that need storage. They're just kind of on the floor, so we wanna find a way to organize and sort all of this. Now the one thing that I love about this room is this dresser that Aislinn made over. It's so beautiful and I love the blue, so I'm kind of getting inspired by that. Plus this picture frame that's blue and white is so cute, so I would love to do almost like a nautical theme in here because I think that'd be so fun. The other thing is we gotta bring a bed in here as well for Elwood to sleep on, so we're gonna need to do some serious reorganizing to fit a bed in here as well. I think our first stop is gonna be the thrift store because we need to do a lot of thrifting for this room. Wish me luck, let's go shopping.
I wonder how many times I've filmed us walking into here.
We need a montage of us entering the thrift store. Ooh, I saw a frame and we need some. Check out all of these ship arts. There's so many pieces.
They're really nice.
They're going in the cart for now.
Okay.
The artwork section is blessing us today.
It knew.
On-theme things. Oh my god, another one! Another one! Wait.
The final ship to the puzzle. A treasure chest? A toy chest. We
need to find a toy chest.
Why do I have this exact thing that I brought back from Florida as a child?
Your mom donated it.
I'd be devastated.
Claire.
Tony, the office.
A globe. It's silver on theme, and it's like kind of kids because it's a globe. Like cute.
It is cute.
And a seashell. Wow.
We love the thrift store.
Okay, so it's this color.
Something that would look better with that, but lighter. So somewhere in this vicinity.
Maybe that blue or lighter? Because if we want white to show up on it,
then yeah, you don't want to be too similar, otherwise it'll just kind of look like it's
the same thing.
Yeah, because now the one in the middle looks so blue.
Like kitty blue. You gotta do the straight test. I mean, yeah, and then what, this 18 bucks for 2 shelves?
That's really good.
It's not bad. This guy has a little crack in it, so I'm gonna be picky. Okay, so let's say that this is how deep our desk is, which is the bottom shelf. Above it goes this, which is like another shelf. That looks good, right?
Yeah.
1, 2.
Yeah. I feel like everything when we're shopping, we're like, yeah?
Yeah?
Okay, good, we're good.
We just need validation.
That's all I need.
I live my life.
We need to find one that fits.
This one's too small. This one is also too small. This one is too big.
Oh, no.
It's like a teal, but like a blue might be nice too.
It has to match or go with the blanket.
I think this is a serious vibe we got going on.
Oh yeah.
Okay, so next I really need to find her a rug. So a great place to search is online. I am checking Kijiji and I found this steal of a rug for $30. So obviously I'm going to pick that up. Got us a rug, baby.
Oh yeah.
Okay, now we're back in the office. I'm gonna paint a lot of our thrifted finds white to help them match the overall color scheme of the room. So one of my plans for this room is to make a tiny little table desk for Elwood. So the table legs that I needed were really expensive, so I decided to make my own. So I cut down a bolt so that only the threading was left. And then I drilled a hole into a 2x2 piece of lumber and threaded that bolt in with a little bit of wood glue. Voila, DIY your own furniture legs. All right, we are back. It is day 2. Yesterday we bought everything that we need. We did a ton of DIYing at the office, so I'm excited to throw this all together today. But the first thing we need to do is clear out this space because we want to paint the walls and patch some of these holes. If I can get your help, Claire, behind the camera to clear all this stuff out, then we can get to painting. These shelves actually work perfect, especially these buckets are so good for our theme. And then this, I think we can hang it. This is so cute. I love using things already in the room if we can, because that helps on budget. Okay, so while the putty dries, I want to go take a look at that rug that we found online because I think it might need a little bit of work. So since this rug was an online purchase, I want to make sure I give it a really good clean before putting it in this room. So I'm just using some basic rug cleaner, which you spray on and then you scrub in with a brush. This honestly took out a lot of the stains that there was and made it smell so fresh and clean and new. Okay, let's draw a sailboat. So my overall plan for all of these walls is to have them blue with a white sailboat painted on. Since the color of the wall we're already starting with is an off-white, what I'm gonna do is use some painter's tape to tape off roughly where my sailboat will be so that once I'm done the blue, I don't have to go over top of the blue with white to do the sails. This saves me a lot of work. Smart. Oh, I love it so much. Okay, let's get it on these walls.
Wow.
Wow. All right, let's retape. Wow. That's a crisp line. Oh my gosh, that is so freaking cute. Plus when we get the white bed in here, that's gonna look like the boat and these are the sails. It's really starting to come together now. Okay, so the other thing that Aisla mentioned to me when she wanted us to do this room was that it gets quite hot in here. So if we can figure out a solution to deal with that, that'd be amazing. And when I was looking at this room thinking about what I wanted to do, I noticed the black chandelier. It wasn't my favorite. I feel like it didn't fit the vibe that I want to go for. So my plan now is to fix both of those in one go. I actually have this really basic ceiling fan with me that I was gifted when I was moving. I never ended up using it, so I'm passing it on, which means it's free for her. We're gonna install that in place of the chandelier to keep the place cool, and it's gonna look a lot better. I've never actually installed a ceiling fan before, only lights, but this one actually wasn't too hard at all. And don't worry, we're gonna finish it and make it look pretty before the final reveal. Hold on.
The other one? Oh no.
Okay, hold on. No, this is good. There's power to the fan.
So maybe the light bulb isn't working?
Yeah, let's go with that. So yesterday I cut and sanded the wood for the shelves and also painted them white, combined with our DIY table legs on the bottom to act as a tidy desk. So cute. We're then putting 2 less deep shelves above for added storage with some simple white brackets. Okay. Oh my gosh. It's such a sailboat. Okay, let's bring back in that dresser.
Yes.
I want to hang that chalkboard thing right here. That should be easy.
And then the pictures?
And then the pictures.
Here?
Yeah. Wow. Wow. All right. Yes.
Yeah!
Okay. Claire, do you know what time it is?
Final touch time.
Our thrifted rug is going in. Here's our thrifted blanket, followed by the blue pillow that we purchased. Our striped floor basket is coming in. And this is how our upcycled clothes rack turned out once it was painted white. So cute.
The leg is essential for this. Get the leg up there.
And then putting up the thermal blackout curtains to help with light and to help with heat. I'm styling this tabletop with our thrifted table lamp and seashells. Also, our thrifted globe is going in the corner. On the wall, we're hanging the thrifted map art. This shelf unit she had already works so well with the room as well. And then on top, we're putting our super cute little thrifted treasure chest. On the shelves are going some new baskets that we purchased, as well as our upcycled white painted basket works so well as well. And lastly is going up our gallery wall of vintage ship art. We painted the frames of these white and they look so adorable. I love the vintage touch that this gives the room. The room is finally together. It's so cute. Like, it's even better than I was picturing in my head. Okay, I think it's time to show Aislinn and Elwood, and I'm so excited. Okay. Wow, look at it. Oh my goodness, this is so cute.
I love the color.
I'm glad you kind of let us run with it. You're like, do whatever you want.
And look at all the storage.
Thank you. Oh, look it. Built a little desk for you, Elwood, so you can do coloring.
Look at the boat.
Wow, that's your bed. And now you have your thermal curtains and a ceiling fan, so it's gonna be so much cooler in here.
This is amazing. Hey, what do you think?
Elwood, can I have a hug?
Can you say
Can I have a hug?
Say thank you, Becky.
Oh, thank you.
This is amazing. Like, so good.
I am so unbelievably happy with how that room turned out. It's so cute, and we were able to do it all for a grand total of $308. Now, I know that's slightly over our $300 goal, but those taxes will get you. I think overall, that's pretty good. If you guys want to see more room makeovers on a tight budget, let me know in the comments, and I will see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna do this on my own this time. If you like it, like it. If you love it, sub it. Bye! Shout out to this person who recreated the giant dot painted headboard. This is something I did that I actually recreated off another Instagram account, Tatiana's World. This is so beautiful, thank you. Send in any of your photos inspired by us using the hashtag SorryGirlSquad on Instagram.